working on downward dog. Downward dog is really good for our brains because we're upside down and all the blood comes to your brain and it makes you super smart. We also strengthen our arms and our shoulders. We stretch out our bodies nice and long, so it's really good for us. Starting on your hands and knees, put your hands right below your shoulders, tuck your toes, and just shoot your hips way up to the ceiling. Whoop. Bring your heels towards the ground. It's okay if they're up a little bit though. Nice big wide palms, and bringing your head down. We want our chest towards our thighs. We should look like a V. Then bring one of your legs up. This is called three-legged dog. And we're gonna wag our tail. Wag, wag, wag. Put your foot down. Lift your other leg up. And wag your tail. If you want, you can bark like a puppy. Ruff, ruff,